Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in case you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Natasha. I am a beauty and lifestyle blogger at my own blog, My Little World of Makeup. In case you haven't heard about me or my blog, please check the link in the description box or also a link to my social media handles in case you want to follow me there and come and say hi to me there. So today's video is going to be a skincare haul. Now this haul is a collective haul, something which I have purchased at different points of time, and I'm also going to show you some of the products that I have received from companies as PR. If you're interested in knowing the skincare products that I'm going to haul in this video, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to show you is this amazing kit by Himalaya Herbal. So if you follow me on my Instagram and on my blog, you will know I have already reviewed this. I've not only reviewed it, I've also done a demo as to how to use this to do a facial, and I've shown you the before and after results. I really love this kit. So it has 1, 2, 3. It has 6 products and it says face wash, cleansing milk, face scrub, then we have face toner, face pack and face moisturizer. So this is available on the Himalaya website. You also get it on Amazon. I will link it in the description box. I will also leave the link towards my blog where I have done a review on this. The good part about this kit is that you also get a face massager, which I'm going to show you right now. So this is how the massager looks like, and it has 2 attachments. So you need to attach this, and then there's a button out here. So this one is for a face massage, as in you need to use a cream and then massage your face, and this is like a cleanser brush. So you need to attach it, wash it, and this runs on batteries, so you do not get batteries along with this. You need to purchase your own batteries. Overall, I think this is a really great kit, and Himalaya Herbals, as you know, is a very famous brand and they make really good products in terms of skincare. So I think this kit is really great value for money. They have a discount on this one, so definitely do check it out. And I think this kit will work best for somebody who has oily to combination skin. For dry skin I'm not sure, but for oily to combination skin this definitely works. So if you haven't checked this out, definitely do that. So this is my first product. Okay, so moving on again, I was sent a few products by this brand Era and Cocoon. So Era is a very nice natural skincare brand. It's cruelty free and has no chemicals. So I'm going to show you a couple of products that they have sent me. So the first product is the Era Insta Radiance Whitening Day Cream. So this is how it looks like, and I really like this cream. I have been trying it out because I need to review it on my blog. So this is the cream, and it's really nice and lightweight, and it smells good as well. I am not sure about the whitening. I do not promote whitening, but it definitely gives a nice glow to the face. I use it under my powder or under foundation because I really like this as a moisturizer. So this is the first product, and if you want to know more about it, I will be reviewing it in a couple of days on my blog. So if you haven't checked my blog, please check the description box and stay tuned to my blog. Okay, so moving on with the Era thing. This is Era Insta Radiance Hydrating Face Mist. So I like the color, it's really interesting. So this is essentially a face mist which you need to spray on your face when you are feeling tired. But what I notice is that this can be used as a setting spray as well. Now let me check the ingredients. It says aqua, glycol, glycerine. So glycerine essentially locks in your makeup. So I essentially asked for this product because I wanted to test it, like how it fares as a setting spray. So I have tried it once and I really liked it, and the smell is it has a jasmine scent. If you do not like jasmine scent, you will not like it. But I really liked it. It's really nice, and the packaging is cute as well. The price of this is 145 rupees. You get 100 ml, and I forgot to tell you the price of the cream. This is the 50-gram tub, and it is for 285 rupees. So this is 285 and this is 145. Moving on with Era product. Again, this is a hair care product. I have already reviewed it on my blog. I really like it. It says Era Insta Sheen Hair Conditioning Hair Mist. It detangles, softens, adds shine and fragrance. So This is how it looks like. It comes in a spray bottle, so it's essentially like a hair mist of hair perfume. So you can apply it on your scalp, but I will suggest it only to apply it when your hair is clean. Otherwise, it may clog your pores and you might have hair falls. So you need to use it on your damp hair. Like once you wash your hair, then you just spray over your hair and then nicely comb it. So it really detangles well, and it also makes the hair nice and soft. Don't expect it to remove your frizz. This is not going to do that, but I really like that it's made of natural ingredients and it works well. The smell is really refreshing and amazing. If you haven't tried this product, do check it out, and I've also done an in-depth review on this, so please check the description box for a link to this product review. Okay, so moving on is the brand called Cocoon, which is again a brand related to the Era one which I showed you before. So I have two products from them, and this one is called the Cocoon Eternal Youth Smart Night Serum Plus Intense Repair. This is how it looks like. So this is a 30-gram bottle, and it's for 599 rupees. If you are subscribed to my NB box, if you have seen videos of those who have unboxed the my NB box, I think for July, I think most of them got this product in that. So I'm lucky that I got it. So this is how the bottle looks like, very nice and fancy, and it has a pump, so anything with pump is got to be my favorite. So I've just used it once, so I cannot tell you how it is, but I'll definitely keep you updated either here on my YouTube channel or either on my blog. So stay tuned for a review of that. For now, this is the Cocoon Eternal Youth Smart Night Serum, and I'm really excited to try this one. The next product is again from Cocoon. It's a really interesting product. It says Cocoon Eternal Youth All-in-One Smart Cream BB plus CC plus Photo Defense, and it has SPF 30. Now this is a 50-gram bottle, and you get it for rupees 799. Again, the white packaging, and let me just open and show you. So it comes in a pump-like packaging, and this is how it looks like. So it's essentially, they are saying it's an all-in-one BBCC, everything mixed together kind of cream. So I used it once, but I'm not sure how I feel about it. I need to use it a couple of times more. So definitely I'll keep you guys updated by doing a review either on my YouTube channel or on my blog. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so moving on, I have this product from Patanjali, and I have also mentioned this in my previous favorites video, I believe, and I've also done a review on my blog. So this is the Patanjali Saundarya Neem Tulsi face wash. I really like this face wash. I've been recommending it to everybody. If you have oily to normal skin, then this product will definitely work for you. I think it will even work for dry skin, because when I use this, it really cleanses the face very nicely, but it doesn't dry my face, which I really like. So if you haven't tried this, please definitely check it out. It's priced at rupees 70, and you get 100 grams of product. Okay, moving on, the next product I got is from Vadi Herbals. This is my first Vadi Herbals product, and it's Vadi Herbals Anti-Acne Cream. Now I went to a shop near to my house, and I happened to notice all these products like Vadi. Then there was Shri Ayurveda. Then there were a couple of other brands I don't remember right now. So this caught my attention because it said anti-acne cream. I know anti-acne creams do nothing, but I was really intrigued. So don't get fooled by the packaging. Like, the packaging is huge, but look at the tub. It's so small. Oh my god. So this is priced at rupees 58, and you get 30 grams of product. And this is how the packaging looks like. Like, there you go. It's just a normal small tub, and I open it, it looks like that. So there's not a lot of product for the price. I mean, it says 30 grams, right? So 30 grams is not a lot, but this sounded really interesting, and it has clove oil, neem extract, orange extract, all good things, which is supposed to eliminate the occurrence of pimples. I really don't know if creams really help in eliminating pimples, but somehow I got attracted to the name and the fact that I haven't tried Vadi Herbals, so I picked this up. I've just used it once. Again, I cannot say how it is and how did it fare for me. I will definitely do a review of this, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so the next thing I picked up is Borolene Antiseptic Ayurvedic Cream, and I'm really finding this funny because how many of us really buy Borolene? At least I don't, because I obviously have oily skin, and and I don't see any use out of it. But I don't know, something, I saw some video somewhere and I saw that it's good for chapped lips and maybe in winter it will be of use to me. So this is essentially an Ayurvedic cream. For those who are not from India, I'm mentioning this for them. It smoothens chapped lips, cures cuts and wounds, softens elbows and abrated skin. It's good for cracked heels and nipples. So this is like a multi-purpose cream. This is for 32 rupees and it's an amazing cream. Like if you're from India, you would definitely know how important this cream is, and definitely everybody may have used it once, at least once in their lifetime. So this was my next pick and it was a Borulin cream. Moving on, the next product I got is really interesting. It's from Patanjali and it is their Patanjali Herbal Shave Gel. So I do not know how many of you all shave, but I definitely shave my legs, armpits. So I used to use soap, but then I realized and I saw many videos and people saying that if you use a shave gel, it's more better. It gives you a better finish. You can really take it off easily. So this is how the packaging looks like, and I really like the smell, to be honest. It's really nice. It's perfumey. It reminds me of something I've used, like some perfume I've used in the past. So this is for rupees 40. You get 50 grams of product. But the thing that I did not like about this, I've used it once. It does a good job. Like it's a shave gel, whatever it is, but it's very liquidy. So the moment I opened it, so much of it came off, like it was unnecessary. So I'm not sure if I'm going to repurchase it. For now I like it, but I think they have a cream version, so I'll definitely go for that one. That is somewhere around 60 rupees. This is 40 rupees. But if you like the gel variant, then this is something you should go for. So I really like this one for now. Okay, so the next thing I picked up is the Merit Vico Extra Virgin Coconut Oil. I am not sure if you heard about this brand, but I saw a couple of YouTubers raving about it and I was genuinely looking for an extra virgin coconut oil. Now, I am a thyroid patient, so my metabolism is really dead. Yeah, as in, if you know what is metabolism is, whatever you eat, it should convert into energy, but that doesn't happen for us. It converts into fat, so we really have to take care of our diet. So I read somewhere on the internet that coconut oil helps in reducing fat and it also helps in increasing our metabolism. So extra virgin coconut oil is definitely the best if you have to intake it. So when I saw a lot of videos, and also I definitely wanted to give this brand a try. So this is the Merit Vico one. You can easily find it on Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon. It's available everywhere. This is one of the best coconut oils I have tried, and what makes this unique from the other oils is that it is extracted from tender coconut. So now the price of this one is 110 rupees. I think I got it on discount, and it is 400 ml. So this is a cold press virgin, extra virgin coconut oil. If you're looking for one, this is the best option to go for. I will be doing a detailed review on this one because I'm a big fan of coconut oil. I sometimes put it in my food and eat it so that my metabolism increases. Maybe it helps in reducing my fat. I also use it as a makeup remover. I can use it on my hair. So as you know, coconut oil has a variety of uses. This will definitely be a good investment. So first go ahead and buy the small bottle like how I have done. If you really like it, you can bring those jars as well, like the one which you have which is not very liquidy. So for now I really like this, and if you haven't tried it, definitely go ahead and check it out. The next product I have is something which I am really excited about, and I have only used it once or twice because I want to use the rose water I already have. So here I'm going to show you is Shri Shri Ayurveda rose water. So it comes in a pink cute packaging like that, and it has a spray bottle. It does a good job of misting your face, although I feel it dispenses more than required. It's not like the Kama Ayurveda one. So this one is priced at rupees 60, I believe. No, it's priced at rupees 65, and you get how much? You get 100 ml. So there are so many rose water brands in the market. I really wanted to try the Banjara one, but they always, whenever they sell in pack of 3, and if I suppose buy one, say rose water bottle which is of 30-40 rupees, I have to pay like 65 rupees shipping. I said chuck it. So when I went to the shop, the same shop from where I bought the Badi herbal cream, I spotted this one, and I'm really excited because I was looking for this one for a long time. So expect more reviews from me from this brand Shri Shri. As you know, as some of you may know, that this is a brand which is endorsed or under the name of Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. So I really like this rose water because the Patanjali one smells kind of weird to me, and I was trying the Dabur one and it has a lot of parabens in it. So I am really excited to give this one a go. If it really works, then this is going to be my next absolute favorite because rose water is something I cannot live without. So yeah, this was my next product. Okay, and finally we are here, and this is the Little Baby Wipes. If you are a regular shopper at Nykaa, you'll definitely see the ad popping everywhere. So I definitely wanted to try these out. I wanted to buy the bigger pack, but I said no, I'll buy the smaller one. So I got this on discount. This was something 49 or something, and you get 30 wipes. So I got it for 44, and this is how it looks like. So this does a good job of cleansing the face and your makeup, and that's essentially why I bought it. Nothing related to baby, and it has a nice smell and it's quite wet, which is something which I like because some of the wet wipes are not that wet that you have to use rose water or something like that, but this one was good. So I'm going to do a review, or maybe I'll mention it on my social media, like what are my final thoughts about it. For now, I'm really liking it to take off my makeup, and this is really inexpensive. Like 49 rupees for 30 wipes is really inexpensive. So if you're someone who uses wet wipes on a daily basis, this could be amazing. Like 30 wipes for 30 days. So you just spend 50 rupees a month and you are sorted with your wet wipe thingy. So this was the last product in my today's skincare haul. So guys, this was my skincare haul. I hope you liked it and I hope you found it helpful. Like, you know, sometimes when you see people's haul, you know what kind of products are there in the market, something which you haven't heard of. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, if you like my channel, please do subscribe, please do give this video a big like, and stay tuned for my next video as well. Thank you for watching this one, and I will see you all in my next one. Until then, take care, bye bye.